As concerns over climate change and environmental impact continue to grow, industries are increasingly looking for ways to improve their sustainability. The automotive industry, with its significant carbon footprint, is no exception. In recent years, the use of robots in car manufacturing has grown significantly, and these machines offer significant potential for improving sustainability in the industry. This video will explore the potential for robots to improve sustainability in the automotive industry. One significant area where robots can contribute to sustainability is in reducing waste. By using robots for tasks like welding and assembly, manufacturers can minimize the amount of material that is wasted during production. Additionally, robots can be used to sort and recycle materials, ensuring that waste is managed efficiently and sustainably. Another way that robots can contribute to sustainability is by reducing energy consumption. Robots are highly efficient and can perform tasks with minimal energy input, reducing the energy requirements of the manufacturing process. Additionally, robots can be programmed to optimize their energy usage, reducing waste and further improving efficiency. In addition to reducing waste and energy consumption, robots can also improve sustainability by improving the quality and durability of cars. By using robots to perform precision tasks like welding and painting, manufacturers can ensure that cars are built to the highest quality standards. This, in turn, can reduce the need for repairs and maintenance over the car's lifetime, reducing waste and improving the car's environmental impact. Despite these potential benefits, there are also challenges to using robots to improve sustainability in the automotive industry. For example, the materials used to make robots and their components may not be sustainable, and the production of these materials may have a significant environmental impact. Additionally, the use of robots may require significant investment in technology and infrastructure, which may not be feasible for all manufacturers. Overall, the potential for robots to improve sustainability in the automotive industry is significant. By reducing waste, improving energy efficiency, and enhancing the quality of cars, robots offer a way for manufacturers to produce cars that are more environmentally friendly. However, as with any technology, there are challenges to be addressed, and careful consideration must be given to ensure that the benefits of using robots for sustainability outweigh the costs. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest innovations in robotics and their impact on industry and society.